beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'll be reviewing the new Outre Perfect Hairline Unit. This one comes in the style ANNALISE and I have it in the chocolate swirl color. I do want to say thank you to Ebony Line for sending over today's unit. If you guys are interested in finding you a good wig or any other beauty products, definitely check out ebonyline.com. I will have their link in my description bar as well as a direct link to this wig. So yeah, definitely make sure you guys check out their website. And before we jump into today's video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well, and then follow me on my socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So just a little bit of information about the stock card. This comes with a 13x6 fully hand tied lace parting space. It has transparent HD lace. It is also included with baby hairs, and it is pre-plucked. You can use heat on it up to 400 degrees. The inside of the stock card also gives you a little bit more information about the wig, basically just telling you how the perfect hairline unit works. And then the back of the stock card also shows you the other colors that it is offered in, and you also get a step-by-step on how to apply your unit. Alright y'all, so rating this unit, this is a very nice quality wig. I'm going to have to give her a good 9.5 out of 10, okay? And the reason I say good quality is I did not experience any shedding or tangling with it, which is what I really thought I was going to get, but I did not. The curls are absolutely perfect. I love these curls. They bounce right back after combing them out, as well as finger combing them, and they literally just bounce right back into motion, which I definitely appreciate. I like that this one does not come with the faux scalp also, but that lace just literally blended so well to my skin. I was like, golly. So I was shook over that. It also has a lot of space back here, so it's definitely big head friendly. The color is beautiful. Texture is really nice as well. So it's not on the yucky side, so it's a little bit on the softer side, a little bit more silky. Alright y'all, so here is a front view. I'm going to give y'all a good little 360 side view. This 13x6 lace base is very much so pre-plucked, as well as these baby hairs are really nice. Now I feel like I had a lot of lace over here, so this 13-inch feels like it's probably like a 15-16, because when I pulled it over my head I just felt like I had so much lace to cut off. So I definitely feel like I cut off probably about maybe 2 inches or so. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I definitely think you guys should try this unit out. I really feel like it's like a business office type wig, because it isn't like super duper long that it makes you feel like, okay, I got too long hair at a professional setting, but it just feels like a really professional wig is what I would say. Even this color also, I could see myself definitely wearing this into work. So I added a little bit of makeup there, a little bit of makeup here. I flattened it out just a little bit. It really came out of the unit, out of the packaging flat itself. I did go with the middle part, but you can wear this unit on the side, or you can have it pulled up, which is also shown on the stock card as well, so you can be versatile with your styles. But yeah, you guys, I think that pretty much covers every detail about the unit. If you guys have any questions about it, leave it in my comment section below. I think you guys should try this one out. I was actually really surprised because I wasn't really sure how I was going to feel about it, but the style came out very beautiful. It's very simple and elegant to me. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to Ebony Line for sending over today's unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.